Okhla Waste-to-Energy Plant Pollution, a detailed analysis. The Okhla Waste-to-Energy Plant, situated in close proximity to densely populated neighborhoods like Sukhdev Vihar, has become a focal point for environmental and public health concerns. Allegations against the plant include emitting hazardous pollutants such as dioxins and furans, known for their severe health risks, including respiratory illnesses, eye disorders, and even cancer. Operating without adherence to stringent environmental safeguards or modern emission control standards. This case, brought by the Sukhdev Vihar Residents' Welfare Association, underscores the persistent challenges of managing urban waste in ways that safeguard both environmental health and community well-being. It exemplifies the broader conflict between technological advancements in waste management and their unintended consequences for public health and ecological integrity. For environmentalists, this case is a stark reminder of the high stakes of urban planning decisions. Waste-to-energy plants play a crucial role in reducing landfill dependency, but at what cost? In Okhla, unchecked emissions and lackluster safety measures resulted in long-term health risks and environmental degradation. This scenario highlights a systemic failure to place human and ecological welfare at the center of urban waste management policies. If left unaddressed, such failures could set a dangerous precedent for other metropolitan regions grappling with similar infrastructural pressures. The National Green Tribunal (NGT) issued several directives aimed at rectifying the shortcomings of the Okhla plant. These measures advocate for stronger accountability and better public awareness among stakeholders, including environmentalists. The NGT mandated the plant to strictly follow the Air, Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, 1981, and the latest Central Pollution Control Board (CPCB) norms. The plant's deviation from these standards underscored a lack of accountability that should be the exception, not the rule, in environmental governance. A directive to install continuous emission monitoring systems (CEMS) ensures real-time data collection and transparency in pollutant levels. Crucially, CPCB oversight was reinforced, making this a benchmark for how environmental safeguards can be both enforceable and visible. To protect affected communities, the tribunal recommended conducting regular health surveys to track and mitigate the impacts of plant emissions, providing a blueprint for how urban projects should prioritize public health in environmental advocacy. From installing state-of-the-art flue gas treatment systems to considering relocating residents or establishing green buffer zones, the NGT's emphasis on adopting cutting-edge solutions is a call for progressive policy shifts. For environmentalists, this emphasizes the role of modern technology in reducing ecological and societal harm. Public access to real-time emission data empowers local communities and environmental activists alike to demand better accountability. This transparency serves as a catalyst for more engaged environmental advocacy. The case paves the way for rewriting policies to ensure that waste-to-energy facilities are located and operated responsibly. It calls for enhanced urban planning to prevent the recurrence of such conflicts, urging policymakers and environmentalists to advocate for systemic change. Resistance from operators to comply with upgraded standards, inadequate monitoring infrastructure, and poor urban planning remain significant hurdles. Addressing these challenges requires continuous advocacy and vigilance from environmentalists. The Okhla case is more than a local crisis, it is a warning and a lesson. For environmentalists, it provides a platform to push for sustainable waste solutions that prioritize public health, ecological welfare, and transparent governance. Waste-to-energy plants must represent progress, not peril, to urban communities. Only through persistent advocacy, stringent oversight, and policy innovation can we ensure that such projects align with a truly sustainable future.